So your water heater, a lot of people think that the water heater is bad when it stops providing hot water. Not technically true. These can start leaking, and again, it can cause a lot of mold issues, a lot of problems with tearing out the whole base, tearing out sheetrock around for simple leaks. And you can tell when it's about to start leaking. You'll start seeing water lines, small, minor ones, dripping here or down here. You can start to see it leaking out a little bit there. Nothing major, but it does start to give you signs that it's about to go. So just a visual inspection of this every 6 months to a year can help you cut down on potential water leaks as well as up here. It can start leaking from up here as well, but usually this is where your warning signs come from.
Is that something you'd have to replace the hot water heater?
Sometimes you can repair the individual parts. Usually water leaking is from corrosion, getting old. At that point, really just replace it. They're not expensive. You know, they last about 10 to 12 years on average. So, but again, if you see water lines, leaks, things like that, and ignore it and do nothing about it, eventually it'll start leaking bad, and you won't know it because you're never looking at it, you're never inspecting it, and then you're dealing with drywall cutout, mold remediation, insulation, paint.
All right, awesome.